How to delete shortcuts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Shortcuts at the left corner. On this page, go to All Shortcuts. You can view all your shortcuts over here. Press and hold the shortcut you want to delete from here and then tap on Delete from the options. Tap on Delete Shortcut again to confirm. If you want to delete more than one shortcut, then go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Now, select the shortcuts you want to delete and then tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete Shortcuts again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete shortcuts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.